Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix you have a store credit balance. You must spend your balance before you can change stores. If you are using any iPhone, iPad, or any other iOS device and you are having the same issue that you are seeing the pop-up message you have a store credit balance, you must spend your balance before you can change stores. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically, it happens when you have some balance in your stores but you want to make some changes. So you may get this type errors. So there's a simple way. You just have to open your Apple Sport app, or you can open your browser, and here you have to simply search for Apple Sport website, and you have to open the first website from here. And after doing that, I'm going to open my Apple Sport app. Then select your iPhone from here. Then select subscriptions and purchases. And from here, you just have to select unable to purchase, or you can select anything else from here, but I'm going to select the first one. Then you just have to select the get more help option, then select call us. Now you'll forget the phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support. Remember, you have to discuss about your issue and they'll find get you official help. So they'll empty your balance in your Apple ID, and after doing that you just have to open your settings app, and here tap on your Apple ID, then tap on sign out option, and after signing out you have to re-sign into your Apple account, and after doing that all, your credit must be zero or empty, and your issue will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.